ThriveCart Query String. In this video, we're going to cover how to use the ThriveCart customer information on your site that can be sent over. And to do so, I'm going to make the assumption that your thank you page is on a WordPress site. And we're going to want to use the URL Params plugin. However, we need to make some modification. So the link at the bottom is exactly what you need after you install the URL Params plugin. So let's dive right in. First things first, inside your ThriveCart account, you can actually exclude the personal identifiable information from being sent over into the query string. If you do that, what I'm about to show you won't work. But let's make sure we understand how it works. So under Legal and Compliance, you want to click on View. You want to click on Exclude PI. In my case, I'm not excluding it. So if I tick this box, I can select what countries, are all countries or only countries within the EU. And I can also specify all products or certain particular products. So I am not going to turn this on because I don't want to exclude it. Now you're going to want to download and install the URL Params plugin, and then we'll make some modifications to it so that it works the way we want. And to do so, you're going to want to come over to this link here, which should be somewhere readily available. Copy this code starting from the top all the way to the bottom. And just for reference, let me show you what's been added. This line here, and then this function right here has been added. But really, the work is being done right here. So the information sent over in the query string, it's the ThriveCart customer email, first name, last name, is being returned. There's other pieces of information that you could add to this, but those are the basics. And then, for instance, on your thank you page that you're going to send a customer to, you're going to want to add this to display, for instance, first name, this is last name, and this is email. And notice I'm in text mode when I'm doing this. This is a little more challenging to do with page builder type themes. And so the plugin is right here. So you go to Plugins, Editor, find the URL Params, and then replace what's in there with what I just showed you. So let's go ahead and make a purchase. I want to go into here and I want to make sure I'm sending it to the right location. So if I go to Fulfillment, this is the success URL. That's the WP thank you page. There's the WP thank you page with the ThriveCart information embedded. And let's make sure the customize is set to redirect to your custom page. So I'm going to do a test transaction. And notice the query string is up here, and we're printing out the first name, last name, and email address. So that's how you use the ThriveCart query string to display content on your site.